Welcome to Top Cars Review.
Turbocharged four-cylinders have become such a rage in the era of engine downsizing that it's some time since they've been restricted to the likes of hot hatches. Manufacturers also continue to extract impressive outputs from small capacities, sufficient, in fact, for Jaguar to deem one suitable for its most evocative car, the F Type. Since its 2013 release, the Jaguar F Type has been offered only with sonically delightful V6s or V8s. Those engines had also helped provide plenty of choice across coupe and convertible body styles, yet the introduction of the company's Ingenium modular petrol 4 expands the F-Type variant list to a mind-boggling 32. Your mind might be further boggled when you consider this is a car that in 2017 is set to account for about 150 sales. A more affordable model can only boost that figure, you imagine. Jaguar Australia says it tried to get a starting price below $100,000 but couldn't make the numbers work. The egregious luxury car tax doesn't help, though the British brand also opted against providing a manual gearbox option as it does with the V6. Still, $107,017 for the coupe is a handy $14,195 saving over the previous V6 entry model, and importantly it undercuts the $115,300 Porsche 718 Cayman, itself now powered by a Turbo 4, of course, albeit of the flat rather than inline variety.